Hi everyone! Now it's workbook time! So for today, we're going to answer page 13 of your workbook. This is for letter A. Here you have to add the numbers. First, let's practice again how to do addition without regrouping. So for number 1, try to think of the answer for 315 plus 463. And then for number 2, you have to add 642 and 253. And for number 3, try to answer 831 plus 206. Again, you are doing addition without regrouping. Try to remember the steps on how to do this addition and try to think of your answers. If you are ready, we can now find out if you got the answers right. Again, we are doing letter A. This is the practice for addition without regrouping. So for number 1, here are the correct answers. Remember that whenever you have to do column addition, you always start with a place value of ones. So in our example, that will be 5 plus 3. The answer is 8. The next thing we have to do is to add from the place value of tens, and that will be 1 plus 6. The answer here is 7. And then move on with the place value for hundreds. That is 3 plus 4. The answer is 7. The final answer for number 1 is 778. Let's see the answer for number 2. So for number 2, again, starting with the ones place, we have 2 plus 3. The answer is 5. And then now we go to tens place. That's 4 plus 5. The answer is 9. And then move on to answer hundreds place. You have 6 plus 2 equals 8. Final answer for number 2 is 895. Let's see the correct answer for number 3. For number 3, again, starting with ones place. 1 plus 6 equals 7. Tens place, we have 3 plus 0 equals 3. And for thousands place, we have 8 plus 2 equals 10. And also, because the answer is in thousands, we should not forget to write our comma. Count 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, and then comma. The final answer is now 1037. Now let's continue with the next part of our practice. This time, we will do addition with regrouping. So here are the examples that you need to answer. For number 1, it's 527 plus 345. For number 2, it's 861 plus 319. And for number 3, it's 490 plus 936. Try to remember the steps in doing addition with regrouping, and then try to find the answer for these examples. Answer number 1, number 2, and number 3. And when you are ready, we can now see the correct answers. So again, we are doing our practice for addition with regrouping. Let's see the answer for number 1, number 2, and number 3. So for number 1, always have to start adding from the ones place. So that will be 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. There it is. 7 plus 5 equals 12. And since 12 is bigger than 10, have to write 2 and carry 1 on top of the next column, which now belongs to tens place. The next thing we have to do is to add 1 plus 2 plus 4. The answer is 7. And then we go to hundreds place and add 5 plus 3. The answer is 8. Final answer is now 872. Let's now see the answer for number 2. Starting with ones place, we have 1 plus 9. The answer is 10. So 0 and then carry 1 on top of the next column. And now for tens place, we have 1 plus 6 plus 1. The answer is 8. And for hundreds place, we have 8 plus 3 equals 11. Also, don't forget to write your comma. Count 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, the comma, and thousands place. The final answer is now 1,180. And now for number 3. Starting with ones place, we have 0 plus 6. The answer is 6. And then for tens place, we have 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. So 2, carry 1 on top of number 4. And now add for hundreds place, 1 plus 4 plus 9. The answer is now 14. Also, don't forget to write your comma. Again, that's ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and then thousands. The final answer is 1,426. Now let's have an extra practice about horizontal addition. So try to answer these numbers. You have number 1, number 2, number 3, and for number 4. For horizontal addition, we have to do it from left to right. So for number 1, it's 315 plus 420. For number 2, we have 408 plus 271. For number 3, it's 592 plus 346. And for number 4, it's 129 plus 917. Try to think of your answers. And if you are ready, you can now see if you got the answers right. So again, we're doing horizontal addition. So for number 1, number 2, 3, and 4. For number 1, we have to add ones place and then also ones place. So that will be 5 plus 0. The answer is 5. And then for tens place, we have 1 plus 2. The answer is 3. And for hundreds place, we have 3 plus 4. The answer is 7. Final answer for number 1 is 735. Let's see the correct answer for number 2. So we should add ones plus ones, 8 plus 1 equals 9. 0 plus 7 equals 7. And then 4 plus 2, the answer is 6. Final answer is now 679. Now how about the answer for number 3? We start from ones place again. That's 2 plus 6 equals 8. And then we go to tens place. That's 9 plus 4 equals 13. So we write 3 and carry 1 on top of number 5 for the next place value, which is hundreds. Now we add 1 plus 5 plus 3. The answer is 9. Final answer is 938. Now for number 4, starting from ones place, you have 9 plus 7. The answer is 16. So we write 6 and carry 1 on top of number 2. Now we add for tens place 1 plus 2 plus 1. The answer is 4. And finally, for hundreds place, we have 1 plus 9 equals 10. Should not forget the comma after 3 digits, ones, tens, hundreds, comma, and thousands. Final answer for number 4 is 1046. So this is where we end our lesson. I hope that you understand how to do addition without regrouping, with regrouping, and also horizontal addition. Always remember to add the numbers using the place or according to their place value. I hope to see you all next time in our next lesson. Keep on practicing at home whenever you have the time. Also, stay safe and healthy with your whole family. Take care and have a good day, everyone. Bye!